Okay, we need to get everybody in. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Molly.
Hey.
Does it hurt you?
No, it's just.
It's seriously on low. Does it really do that? Maybe it's like the way you have him.
Should we turn it down?
Maybe
Does it
it's
hurt
like
you?
the way she has.
It's gonna get. It's like. It's just like goes up by itself. I don't drink anything. It's just like.
I think it's the way that you have them put on there. Like,
Yeah, let's move it around and see if it does something else.
Okay, hold on.
wait, it like goes back down.
But she's not doing it,
I'm
she's
not
relaxed
doing
and so
anything.
it falls.
Just-
Oh, that's so funny.
How did they get him to look that ugly? That's what I want to know.
What strange things is it going to do?
It's like this.
Let's see what,
That's like all of my forearms.
let's see what else we can get today.
Oh my god.
Ow! Turn it on! Oh my god!
You know those people who are stuck like that?
Do you trust her with that thing?
Listen. You know those people that are stuck like that? I wonder if it's because, like, if you put that on them, they'd be like, oh, just normal.
Oh, it's so funny.
This was where he was like, what? I was like,
Oh my goodness.
oh my god, that's too funny. Ow! 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 This one hurts.
You guys are gonna hurt yourself. Take it off.
Can I go more? It's on
No,
there.
it hurts her.
Yeah.
Change spots. If it hurts
Just
it.
this one hurts. Is it off?
Oh, it's coming back on. It's like,
Oh, it like got me, and then it was like that.
Amanda, why are you doing it? Okay, it's on 9 again.
God, maybe I can stand a 9. Just this one, the top one always hurts. It like,
Just take it. Let me get it to 15. Wait till it starts flexing.
oh my god.
Did you not see mine? Now you know my pain, Amanda.
That's 17.
No, 15. Hang up to 17.
Go up to 16 first.
You're on 15.5.
Okay,
Good
can I
job.
take it off?
Yeah, there's one.
I want to put it on my arm.
Okay.
Ow! It's just when it gets to that one. Ow!
I can't get over it. It's too funny. Let's do it on your.
Ow! Okay, take it off.
I just turned it down a whole bunch.
Oh wait, seriously, can I step away from you before I spill it?
It's like
Sarah,
six.
you come get this for me?
Yeah, hang on.
Don't take it off
I'm
yet.
almost
It's
done.
on. Amanda, it's on.
Look, I did it like this.
Okay.